I roam alone, but then I saw you, my heart's new home. With every glance, my world transforms, for love can bloom where the wildest storm forms. Oh, little red, with eyes so bright, you light my world, turning darkness to light. Though they say I'm fierce and bold, you're warmth to my cold heart holds. In the tales they spin, I'm the shadow cast, but with you, my love, the past is past. Your laughter's echo in the forest glade, a melody where my wild heart stayed. Oh, little red, with eyes so bright, you light my world, turning darkness to light. Though they say I'm fierce and bold, you're warmth to my cold heart holds. From dusk till dawn, by your side I'll be. A love that's boundless, wild and free. Against the odds, through paths untold, together our story will unfold. Oh, little red, with eyes so bright, you light my world, turning darkness to light. Though they say I'm fierce and bold, you're warmth to my cold heart holds. So here's my heart, a howling tune, and love's embrace beneath the silver moon. With every step through the forest we tread, together forever, wolf and red.